The new RX owes much of its dynamic personality to its new powertrain lineup. It offers a diverse lineup of powertrains to meet the needs of diversifying customers and its carbon neutrality goals. 4 powertrains are available around the world, depending on market specifications, and 3 of the 4 are members of the Lexus electrified portfolio. At the top end, RX is powered by a newly developed 2.4-liter turbocharged HEV Direct 4 with Lexus's new electrification technology. The hybrid matches the 2.4-liter turbo with a front unit housing a 6-speed automatic transmission, power control unit, and motor, and at the rear is an e-axle. The Direct 4 system precisely controls the driving force of all 4 wheels at all times, maximizing traction regardless of road surface or driving conditions. Making the driving experience even more visceral, the RX actively manages cabin sounds with ASC to maximize pleasure. New to the RX family is the plug-in hybrid powertrain. Combines a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack placed below the floor. The battery utilizes a new cooling system to improve performance. The motor-driven E4 all-wheel drive system precisely controls torque to offer linear and powerful acceleration. Drivers keen on EV mode operation will appreciate the driving performance and a longer drive distance offered by the battery's increased capacity. The RX's hybrid powertrain is redesigned and pairs a highly efficient 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with a high-output front motor. The 4-cylinder improves RX's fuel economy compared to the previous V6. Front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive with E4 are available depending on the market. As with each of the hybrid models, the engine and motor work together to provide a smooth and direct acceleration, consistent cruising vehicle speeds, and predictable deceleration. The final member of the RX lineup is a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering high torque and dynamic driving experience. It melds superior fuel economy with low emissions thanks to its efficient center injection system. Available front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive enables highly predictable driving. And par for the course is the Lexus's quiet cabin, thanks to its extensive tuning and active noise control systems. RX's lineup of available powertrains is as diverse as the guests they'll serve around the world. No matter the means of motivation, the new RX ensures that even in a sea of crossovers, luxury, dynamic performance, and the sheer joy of driving will never be lost.
Welcome to Pebble Beach, home of a stunning golf course, spectacular views, and this, the famed 17-mile drive. It's here that I'll give you a closer look at the 5th generation RX. It's been completely redesigned from the ground up and offers our latest technologies focused on giving you, the driver, the full Lexus driving signature experience. So, let's have a look. Let's begin our review of this Lexus Next Chapter design from the front. With the RX, we see the iconic Lexus spindle grille has evolved into a powerful spindle body. The body color extends to the Lexus emblem, yielding a seamless fusion between body and grille while expressing strength and a low center of gravity. In the side view, the designers have pushed back the A-pillar to emphasize the longer hood and bolt stance, and the shape of the rear flare invokes the power of the rear motor. With the new platform, 8-inch wide wheels in 19 or 21-inch diameter move more to the corners, providing a longer wheelbase and a wider track. Stepping to the rear is another athletic look. Designers chopped overhang and lowered the belt line, making the rear proportions even sportier. The rear hatch inherits the signature L-shaped LED light bar with lenses that wrap around to emphasize a wider, more powerful silhouette. RX aerodynamics are also improved. Airflow around the front is optimized to lower the coefficient of drag and provide excellent brake cooling performance. Underneath, the dimpled engine cover enhances the sense of ground contact and improves high-speed stability. On the side, beltline moldings sit flush with the body panels to better manage airflow, thus improving handling and performance. Sculpted side fins and rear lamps are designed with optimal airflow in mind. In the rear, there's a new portal-shaped spoiler to suppress turbulence up top and airflow regulating fins on the lower bumper, both cutting drag and improving stability. Better aerodynamics means better handling and control as part of the Lexus driving signature experience. While we're back here, let's pop the hatch. The lower loading height improves usability and provides a cargo capacity that can easily hold 4 suitcases. Because I have a digital key on my phone, I can open and start the vehicle with just this. No need to carry a key fob. Pretty cool, right? You can share your digital key with up to 7 additional users. Now, let's head inside. RX's cabin isn't just a place to sit and drive. It's an environment designed for a Lexus driving signature experience. To achieve this, designers use the Tazuna concept as their foundation. Tazuna is Japanese for horse reins, so everything within this space is focused on a meaningful connection between human and machine. This is key to the Lexus driving signature, which blends human input with direct mechanical reaction in all driving scenarios. You may first notice this massive 14-inch touchscreen in front of me. It's easy to reach and lets me adjust the Mark Levinson premium surround sound, navigation, safety systems, and climate control. Looking forward, I have a clear field of vision and can refer to the information offered by the large, colored head-up display. Doors and seats have an L pattern embossing, which is all new to Lexus and gives the space a 3-dimensional look. In the rear, available power folding seats can be controlled from the seat switch, a button in the cargo area, or from the multimedia screen. And a first for the RX is ventilated rear seats to keep passengers comfortable on a warm day. The available panoramic roof brightens up the cabin during the day and allows stargazing at night. Speaking of nighttime, the space really comes to life by selecting one of 14 colored illumination themes to match your mood. If you're looking for more convenience and less hassle when using your mobile device, the RX can be equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These wireless versions are just as responsive and intuitive as its wired counterpart. 2 USB Type-C ports are located below the vent area, with 1 USB Type-C, 1 Type-A, and an optional wireless charging dock located in the storage box below. There are 2 USB ports and rear passenger climate controls on the rear of the center console as well. With thoughtful interior space using the highest quality materials, RX provides an open and captivating atmosphere. Inside and out, with intuitive technology and refinement, RX brings new life to the driving experience and continues to redefine the standard for luxury crossovers.
The all-new RX is packed with innovations, making luxury more personal. From new powertrains to the lighter, more rigid GAK platform, the RX is engineered to enable clear communication between the road and the driver. The RX offers 4 new powertrains depending on the market. Introducing a new dimension to the Lexus electrified range is the performance model's 2.4-liter turbocharged HEV with Direct 4. This powertrain transmits large torque from the turbo engine directly to the tires, while the rhythmic shifts of the 6-speed automatic transmission serve up pleasurable driving. Performance is also delivered by the 64-kilowatt motor in the front transaxle and the 76-kilowatt e-axle in the rear. The clutch system allows engine and motor to work separately or as an integrated whole to deliver powerful and responsive acceleration, making for the best performing RX ever. The new Direct 4 hybrid system seamlessly integrates the front transaxle components with the rear e-axle to supply power to 4 wheels. Precise all-wheel drive control maximizes front and rear grip, while controlling posture to achieve a direct, torque-filled, exhilarating driving experience with impressive fuel efficiency. The new RX uses an enhanced GAK platform. The center of gravity has been lowered by 15 millimeters compared to the predecessor thanks to reduced weight and the lower floor. While keeping the overall length as the former model, the wheelbase is extended 60 millimeters longer, and the tread is widened by 15 millimeters in the front and 45 millimeters in the rear, resulting in a package that reduces the yaw moment of inertia. The RX's GAK platform affords a thoroughly revised suspension with optimized geometry for improved handling and response. Refined suspension arms and bushings absorb both high-frequency vibrations and shocks from the road, yielding confident linear handling. At the rear, a new 5-arm multi-link setup effectively transmits drive force to the road surface, with a more compact design that yields added space for the cabin area. The shock absorber's new tilt angle reduces suspension friction, improves ride comfort, and overall performance. The system minimizes squat during acceleration or braking, with optimized absorbers and bushings. The GAK platform and body possess key updates as well. A rigid, high-torsion rear body frame is used to firmly support suspension input during vehicle acceleration, deceleration, and steering. In addition, the rear suspension and its member mounting points have been highly reinforced. When joining the frame, short-pitch welding techniques are employed to increase joint strength, in addition to laser screw welding and structural adhesives, which expand the bonding area, including to the underbody. These enhanced rigidity measures throughout the platform enable higher suspension performance as well for spirited driving. Overall, the new RX is 90 kilograms lighter than its predecessor. The vehicle frame and body panels use super high tensile strength material and hot stamp material. These factors, as well as revisions to the structural design, reduce weight while retaining safety protection and rigidity. From first generation to the fifth, RX has been the luxury crossover all others seek to emulate. Now, more than ever, it empowers users with a human-centered driving experience and performance, invigorated with cutting-edge electrification technology.